Yes. So, just to give a little bit of a background, Assam is projected to become a US $75 billion economy by 2025 and is expected to grow at 8% per annum. The state is as a center of a thriving domestic market of 45 plus million consumers in the entire Northeast. Connectivity and industrial infrastructure is state of the art, with supported by very innovative policies. Assam government has aligned its governance framework on lines with the SDG, and the state and its society is known for gender equality, the cultural integrity, and very nice people. In terms of connectivity, and as an authority, I can speak because I am also the Commissioner of Transport of Assam, that we have a national highways coverage of 3,800 kilometers, state highways of 2,500 kilometers. There are 6 operational airports, and the air connectivity in the entire region is being supported by a very robust policy of viability gap funding by the government of Assam, not just regional connectivity, but also international connectivity. And recently, the government has released VGF for connecting the capital of Guwahati with capitals of 6 northeast countries, which includes Dhaka, Hanoi, Bangkok, Kathmandu, etc. Another unique feature about the state is its national waterways. We have the Brahmaputra, which is about 891 kilometers of national waterways. Other rivers combined, it's almost 1,980 kilometers of waterways, providing a very good cheap mode of transportation. The state is developing its first multimodal logistics park at Jogighopa. Graph shows that almost 10% of India's total exports of plastics are to the markets which are in neighborhood and vicinity of the state of Assam. And now with the terrestrial access to Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, ASEAN countries, Assam is an ideal manufacturing destination for the exporters of the East. Domestic market is huge. There are 5.4 million households in Assam, and which contributes to about 18% of India's population in Northeast India. There is a very highly growing domestic market. As per data, per capita consumption of plastic in Northeast is below 5 kg, which is much lesser than the national average of 9.7 kg. Asian average of 20 kgs and China's average of 45 kgs. That means there is a huge scope of plastic products and increasing the consumption of plastic products, and that is why there is a huge potential for plastic industries developing, emerging in the state of Assam. The plastic park is in proximity to the Brahmaputra Crackers and Polymers Limited, which is a source of HDPE and LDPE, and they have offered some incentive which I'll mention. I have mentioned about the regional connectivity. Bangladesh is connected with Assam through water and land routes both. We have the Indian Water Indo-Bangla Protocol I just mentioned. Terrestrially also there is a land customs station at Sutarkandi in the Barak Valley of Assam. Similarly, Nepal is also terrestrially connected through the land customs station in Siliguri, and through the state of West Bengal we are here. Then we are connected to Bhutan through Daranga customs station, and access to Myanmar is also there through Moreh. So the plastic park is located in Gelapokri in Tinsukia district. The project area is 173 acres. The project is infrastructurally complete. We have started the allotment. 50% of sheds and warehouses have already been allotted. 15% of land and plots have been allotted, and a few units have even started production there. We are allotting land in a very simplified procedure. Within 48 hours of application, we are handing over the allotment letters. The rates are very attractive, which I'll mention in my next slide. And the plastic park is connected to the national highway, which is just 2 kilometers from there. Jetty, a port there in the vicinity of this plastic park. We are offering land in the plastic park right now on a first come first served basis at throwaway prices of just 300 rupees per square meter. A little bit about the scheme. So we already have a central scheme, that is the Northeast Industrial Development Scheme. Apart from that, there are a lot of attractive state-specific policies, which is the Industrial Investment Policy of Assam. Incentives over and above which are offered by the central schemes are being offered by the government of Assam. We recently issued our ethanol production promotion policy, and I'm happy to inform you that we already have 7 units coming up there. In Assam, the exports and logistics policy is there. We have Agarwood, which is there's a very good scope in the Agawad, and we are constructing one as an international Agar Trade Center there also in Golaghat district. We have the TCS policy, the Bombay Indian policy is there, startup policy is doing very good. We've already formulated our electric vehicles policy. So, my investors, businessman friend would be interested in this. These are the incentives that are being offered under different policies. There's a SGST reimbursement for 15 years, up to 200% of fixed capital investment, that is under the Assam's industrial policy. Then CGST and IGST reimbursement, that is as per the policy of Government of India for the Northeast. There is reimbursement of central share of income tax, this is for 5 years from commencement. That is again from the Government of India scheme for the Northeast. Power subsidy is there at the rate of rupees 2 per unit for 5 years. That is under the Assam's industrial policy. There's incentive of rupees 10,000 to the employer against each local youth that is employed in the unit. And I also mentioned that we can provide. Sorry. Yeah. So I mentioned that we can provide custom-made skill development courses under our skill development mission as per the industrial needs. There is a subsidy of 20% cost on transportation also through railways and Indian waterways, and up to 33% of the cost of transporting airways for perishable cargo. We also have started a center for perishable cargo at the Guwahati airport. There's an interest incentive at 3% on working capital, that is the Government of India scheme. There's 2% on the outstanding working capital loan for 5 years, that is Assam's industrial policy, and 30% of investment in plant and machinery as per the needs. So, as committed, I didn't take much of your time. I would conclude now. I thank the All India Plastic Manufacturers Association for this opportunity. And I would appeal to all my friends, all the participants here, that invest in Assam, start up in Assam, set up in Assam, but do visit Assam. Thank you so much.